Hey guys, Vic here, and we're at Blizzard Beach. Fifth vlog of Summer Vacation 2018. And it has been like almost 3 years since I visited this park, which I visited, I believe, in August of 2015. And sadly, we did not do a lot of stuff. I mean, actually, we did. We did the Runoff Rapids. I did Steamboat Springs. Everyone else did Summit Plummet, but I'm not ready. I mean, at least it was better than Aquatica. Like, at least we did some slides, unlike when we went and just did the wave pool, the kids area, and there's a flyer, and the Lazy River. The Lazy River's pretty good. And still, this is my second or third favorite water park, probably behind Aquatica and Volcano Bay. The reason is because I go to Aquatica far more often, and I don't know if I have an annual pass for the water parks. I only have it for the theme parks. But yeah, we had a great day here. Sure, I didn't get to do whatever I wanted. I wanted to do the purple slope attractions, but we didn't do it because we had not a lot of time. And yes, this is close to my favorite water park. Which I'd say this is like one of my favorite kids areas. It has slides. They have a cool like thin ice challenge where you go across like a parkour style thing where you go across these icebergs or it's like plastic and you have to hold on to the rope. And yeah, that's pretty fun. It can be challenging though. But yeah, I mean, this is kind of a short vlog because we're about to leave. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you hit the like button, subscribe to Theme Park Chasers, hit the notification button to be notified of a new video, and stay tuned for more vlogs and videos coming soon on Theme Park Chasers.